Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to read Instagram messages without seeing using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And when you swipe your finger from right to left, you can see all of your messages. And now as you can see, I have one message. And for example, that you want to read that message without the other user know that you read their message, you want to follow these simple steps. So the first step is to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on the airplane mode. Okay, so now just go ahead and read their message. Okay, so now once you've read their message, you want to go to your profile, click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen, click on settings and privacy, and you want to log out your account. So just go ahead and again click log out and log out. Okay, so now just go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi and you need to log in again on that account. Okay, so as you can see that I already logged in on my account, and as you can see at the upper right corner of my screen, you can see that I still have the message, right? So that's it. That is how you read Instagram messages without seeing. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.